Well, good morning, everybody. This is Steven Johnson versus Chemtrails. This is the 23rd of January 2016. This is Bronx, New York. The time that we're looking at right now is approximately 8:22 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. No, I am not opening my window for this. Look at this, guys. I know I posted a video earlier this morning about it for the first real blizzard for New York. Well, I figured I would do a second one because the first one that I did was about 6:30, 7 o'clock this morning. It was still dark. I really couldn't see anything. But now that it's a little after 8:30 in the morning, well, almost 8:30 in the morning, look at this. Look at this. Horizontal snow. Really? We've got 18 to 25 mile an hour gusts of wind. Oh boy. And this is just, supposedly from the news stations, this is just the beginning of what we're going to have today. We could potentially have several feet of snow. Look at this. This is just absolutely not incredible. And I didn't think we was actually going to get snow this year. Okay. This almost kind of reminds me of the winter of 2013 when I first arrived in New York. Minus 20 degrees and we had 6 to 8 foot snow drifts. And we still had snow up until the middle of April of 2013 and 2014. Even snowed for Thanksgiving and Christmas and Halloween for 2014. Yeah. And here it is, almost the end of January, and this is our first real snowstorm. Oh my God. I was wishing for it. I was bitching and complaining about it. Where's the snow? I was about to write off the year, man. 2016 didn't start out too good. 2015 ended with we had 2 kind of half-assed snow days in December, but it really wasn't worth crap. But as you can see, it's in sheets, guys. Look at this. This is incredible. This is just simply incredible. You know what? I may just actually open my window just for the heck of it to see what happens. Oh, this is going to be fun. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. And you know what? It's not even that big. It's not even that cold. Oh, my goodness. I really shouldn't have opened up my window. Oh my goodness. You can't even see the snow coming into my... Can you see the snow? Yeah, little bits of snow. Alright, that's enough of that. Look at this, guys. This is just absolutely incredible. This is insane. This is insane. Well, I got my wish for snow. Kind of a day late and a dollar short, but yeah, this is what it looks like, guys. First real blizzard for New York. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh wow. And straight up. Straight up horizontal. This is incredible. Simply incredible. I would love to sit here and record this all day long. This is insane. Oh, where's he at? There it is. We got this guy out here riding a bicycle in this shit. What the hell? Man, where's all the snow plows at? I've only seen a couple this morning. Well, looks like I'm not going anywhere today. Nope, I'm snowed in for the day. Well, this is Steven Johnson versus Chemtrails signing off for the first blizzard of Bronx, New York, January 23rd, 2016. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll keep you posted throughout the day. Hell, may even take some still photos later. Maybe a couple more video clips. But yeah, we've got snow, y'all. Eat your heart out in southern Louisiana. Check this out. Until next time, talk to you guys later. Be safe.